Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time coming across to one of my videos, welcome. But if you are a returning subscriber, baby, welcome back. In today's video, I will be washing my hair. I will be using L'Oreal. I didn't buy Izinto from the same range, so this is from the Hydro Pure range, and this one, I don't know what range is this one, but different range. And Nalena, it's also from a different range. I bought this one because people on repair, and I want to repair my hair, and I'll be using it as in protein treatment because it has protein in it. This one, I want to try it kakulu for my dry roots, dry scalp, and dry hair. My hair does tend to get dry. And then this one for moisture. Yeah, well, so yeah, I'm not gonna take you with you when I wash my hair, but I will come back when I'm done to dry my hair with you guys. So see you. Okay, I'm back. I thought I was not gonna show you anything, but I'm back. I have used that shampoo and that conditioner before. This was like my first time using this one. I washed my contours with that one. So this one, it smells nice. I don't know, I love it, but ingat my curls are there. I have to relax my hair next week. So I was going to blow dry my hair, but I came across a video on YouTube saying that if you're gonna self-relax your hair, you shouldn't use heat the week before. Just air dry your hair. So I'm going to air dry my hair, and then yeah. So right now I'm using this. It is running out, and I'm loving it though. Oh. I will put it kumanganga so it will air dry in that way. So thank you, bye. Hope to see you in my next video. Love you all. Editing Lusana here. As I am editing this video, I'm realizing I haven't moisturized my hair since Sunday, and okay, now it does feel dry, but yesterday and Monday it was okay. So today I'm going to moisturize my hair using leave-in and then that oil I've showed you guys. Let's talk about that bond repair treatment. I wasn't aware that I was supposed to leave it for 3 minutes. I didn't see that in the bottle. And then I decided to leave it for 15 minutes. And the curls were popping. I think I did show you guys. The curls were killing. I got interrupted for a minute. So now I don't know what I was saying. But, oh, I was saying my curls were curling even though my hair is relaxed. So definitely recommend you if you have relaxed hair. I think even if you don't, because that treatment, it it is a bond repair, so you definitely need it. So I would advise you to get it. It's pricey, but okay, it's worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you on my next one. Love you all. Bye.